All supplements sold today try and hint at great benefits. I think most of us with MS have tried at least one of them. I've heard that many with multiple sclerosis desire to take them as a way to treat MS. Do they work? Can they really stop multiple sclerosis and create myelin? Shereena wrote me with a very provocative statement that strikes directly at the heart of this.
I have little hope in supplements as I've taken them for many years and not seen much benefit.
I think the reality is very nuanced. Hey, it's Steve. There are two camps of people. The first swears by supplements and claim extreme benefit. Sometimes seems like so extreme, the claims they make are hard to believe. I often wonder why they do it. Supplements are not drugs. Drugs are regulated by government agencies and require a prescription written by a doctor. Supplements are basically vitamins and minerals. The camp doubles down and claims high doses are what's needed. Question of whether larger doses are beneficial is controversial. To be most effective, vitamins need to work in careful balance with each other. A high concentration of one might cause a relatively deficiency in another. Fruits and vegetables contain both vitamins and other nutrients in useful proportions to one another, working together to play their role in good nutrition. For most people, even us with MS, I think that's probably safe to say, just eat fruits and vegetables if you want a good balance of vitamins and minerals, rather than taking a vitamin supplement. Even though I do take a multivitamin every day, I don't need it. I eat half a head of lettuce, half a banana, and some berries, which I think are more than enough nutrition, to be honest. That's not the end of the story though. There is the other camp. They claim there's no benefit whatsoever in taking them. They are a complete waste of money. But I don't agree with this either. What we really care about is symptom management, am I right? Shereena and I discussed this as well. It's not just supplements. Many with multiple sclerosis, they all want their drug or vitamin or whatever they're taking to try and eliminate MS suffering, and so they can get back what MS has taken from them. Isn't that the aim with anything? I mean, isn't that why drug companies make these drug brochures that have smiling faces plastered all over them? Shereena and I both agree that's, in the end, it's not the case. The 5 essential elements are the cornerstone of my recovery. I told her, all my symptoms are gone. And I wish people would see that I'm not just saying that and that I have this symptom or that symptom, but they are a whole lot better. I really mean I had no symptoms at all. The essential elements have fundamentally changed my MS. I still take supplements. My favorites being choline, magnesium threonate, and lion's mane. I've made videos about all of them. But the difference between reality and simply hoping is I know exactly why I'm taking them. I take them in a very specific, targeted, purposeful way. I have my own benefits, so I don't think they are a waste of money in the slightest. What are the supplements you take? Do you see any benefits yet? Would you like to share with us? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.